Yvan with DIY Detail. Today, the final part of the Z3 series. Now you're saying the final part, we've seen you find it, we've seen you coat it, we've seen you polish it, we've seen you do all of that. What do you mean the final part? Well, the final part is showing you how we made a perfectly nice car into a barn find. We did this for a reason. First of all, to show you how to properly clean a barn find should you actually ever find one. They're rarer than you think. And also, it was fun to do. Follow along, you'll see how we turned this into a barn find. Tuesday, September 10th, 9:30-ish a.m. Look how clean the car is. We just bought this the other day, and we wanted to do a video on what is a disaster detail. So we're actually going to create or turn this into a barn find disaster detail. Let's get going, see what it looks like. Off to create a disaster. Got a bit of rain on the way here, had to put the roof up. But this is the barn where we're going to find the BMW for the barn find. Now it's time to have a bit of fun getting it dirty. How are we going to get a car dirty so it looks like it's been here for a while? Well, first of all, we're going to put a bit of cooking oil on it. Good, extra virgin olive oil. Get it on the surface. We have a very dusty floor here. We're going to lift the dust up, blow it onto the car gently so we're not scratching anything. At the same time, we're going to get the windows nice and crusted up like you've seen on the videos. I have a special concoction for the wheels to make it look like one of the wheels was frozen up. We're also going to be putting it in that corner over there because that's normally where you'd find it, in the corner of a barn that's really, out of the way. There'll be a few bags and stuff on it, so don't worry, let's have some fun. And you thought those were just for cleaning water off a vehicle. Haha. As you can see, the engine compartment is nice and clean. This is the way we bought it. Vehicle is well maintained. But in order to get that it's been sitting for a long time look, I'm gonna just spray on a bit of olive oil and then we'll bring up that dust like we did on the rest of the vehicle. Now, you'll notice that this area is sealed. So logically, there should never be any dust in there when the hood is closed. So I'm gonna avoid that area. There'll be a bit of dust, but I won't put any oil there. We also recruited a nice mouse to build us a little mouse nest that we'll conveniently place somewhere. So when we discover it later, it'll be, ooh, there's mice here. So off we go. Now let's get a bit of dust. Now in this bottle, we have a concoction of Coca-Cola, iron particles that we let sit in the Coca-Cola for a couple hours, and a bit of water just to give it that rusted brake look. So we'll spray these lightly on the wheels. We'll let it act for a minute or two, get a bit of dust on it. And then repeat the process a couple times to get that really nasty German car brake look. Now, one other thing that has always struck me as odd in these barn find videos is that there are leaves under the hood. Even though the car's been in a barn, there's no leaves in a barn. You'll see the cowls full of leaves. You'll see leaves under the hood. So, you know, to stay with the game, we'll throw a bit under the cowl as well. Break them up a little bit. And this is where we're going to find our rat's nest. So we'll give the mice a little leaves to chew on there. And oh, look what we found. Another little mouse nest. Finally, our homemade mouse nest. Now, we took a bit of insulation, some paper. We have a brush that we cut up to get the fake hair in there. There, see that mouse has been busy. Make sure we have a little hole there for the nest. There we go. We have a beautiful mouse nest now. Next, close the hood. We'll get the exterior all dusty, and then we'll put it in the corner. In the IK, just a bit of water. We'll mist it on, that way the dust sticks a little better. We'll try this before the oil, just so we can build up a nice thick layer of dust on here. Can't forget the windshield. It has to be all nice and dusty as well. Because when we're pulling out of the barn, I have to stick the head out of the side of the car because you can't see through the windshield. You've seen the videos. You know what I'm talking about. Bit of sawdust, just, you know, for more reality. Now that we've used up all the dust in this area, you can go put it back in the corner, and we'll add a little more dust onto it after it's moved and in its place. Now you notice we got some bird droppings on here, thanks to some 35% cream. That's gonna help give the illusion as well. Is it looking like a barn find yet? You have to let it dry for a little while, come back, and we'll rescue it. There we go, the making of a barn find. It's in the corner of the barn, it's all dusted up, there's a bird's nest, there's leaves, there's everything you want to see in a barn find. Now, we will have the fake flat tire as well, don't worry, you'll see that in the other video. Speaking of the other video, this video is actually on air after the barn find video, just so we can demystify what a barn find can be. 2 hours later, we have our barn find.